This is the auto key number detection system. It uses the camera to find key number engraved in key itself. It has lights and diffusers specially arranged to eliminate all sharp reflections on any kind of refractive surface that further enhances readability to further improve results accuracy. The provided software has many functions. This is continuous detection mode. It will highlight any type of number that it sees, and it will print it on result. As you can see, the final result shows detected number and its accuracy. That is very high for this type of non-standard fonts. This product have same high accuracy across multiple products, as you can see. Second is single shot read. This mode reads number on key and logs into Excel sheet. Here I am selection Excel sheet for the preview. When you press the Start Fast Scan, it will automatically take 10 samples and find the best match of number. Then it will log into Excel sheet. Here I am trying all keys one by one. You can also use hotkey to perform same task. Default is F10, but you can change it in settings menu as per your liking. Here I am using F8 as example. Now I can just press F8 to perform fast scan.
Here, I'm disconnecting camera to show auto-connection feature. When camera disconnects from computer, it will actively look for camera connection. When it finds or when you connect camera, it will reconnect camera and start working as normally.